forgot again. Oh my god. Morning. I'm off to IKEA to pick up some, what's it called? It's called fleeting, what again? It was moving boxes. So I'm gonna pick that up from IKEA and just pack up my things because I am moving. Oh god.
We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in, like we're strangers. You say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever we make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're blinded by fear. We can't see clearly. Somehow this thing between you and me, standing in the way of our sanity. Yeah. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in, like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're act just like we're fine, but this just ain't it. But every time we try, we end up back here. No, we don't stand our ground, come back 'cause we're scared.
Okej. Det var det här. IKEA. Ja, vad ska jag hitta flyttkartonger? Där. Okej. I'm here to find fleet kartonger, that is moving boxes. I called it fleeting previously, but it's fleet kartonger. And when you speak different languages and you're moving from one country to another, different languages, this whole thing can mess up with someone. So this makes me warm. Okay, let's go find fleet kartonger. I think this is what I'm looking for. Found it. Hello. Yes, oh, I'm so excited that I am moving. This is how it looks. It looks like this. See that? Okay. So, yeah, like I said, to pick up moving boxes because I'm moving to. I keep forgetting this. I don't know. Am I the only one that keep forgetting the? Oh my god, where is it? Yes. Am I the only one that keep forgetting this? Okay, this is gonna sound better. Sounds better now, right? Okay. So I'm so excited that I'm moving. I've been sharing an apartment for some time now, but I'm finally moving into an apartment where I don't need to share, right? Anyway, let's go find the moving boxes. This one I saw, I think it's too big or what, I don't know. It looks a little bit different from the usual or normal moving boxes that IKEA usually sells. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so it's the designs and stuff. Okay. Inte så kommer jag tillbaka och köpa mer men 5 räcker nog, tror jag, men kanske inte. Okej, nu kör vi till kassan. Kom, nu är vi till kassan.
Ut via mail bara. Okej.
Så att allt är skannat.
Allt är skannat.
Allt är skannat.
Det blir dessvärre.
Ja. Oh my god. I'm finally done with what I came to do today. To buy boxes. Let's go home and pack. Good morning. So this morning, I took the metro down to Högdalen, to JYSK in Högdalen. And, I was at IKEA yesterday and I checked out the prices for some of the furniture that I need. So my apartment is not furnished. And therefore, for that reason, I have to buy furniture for my apartment. That includes sink, like a bed, a wardrobe, drawers, tables, basically like furniture that I need for the homes. And I did realize that JYSK, they had discounts. It's like they were having sales. So I decided to come down to JYSK. IKEA wasn't having any sales. I don't know if IKEA ever have sales, but yes, they usually have sales, and for that reason, I came here to check out the things that I need for my home.
Through the corner of my window, playing catch. I wandered to the guitar. Good company purring on my lap. Not a single worry to be had. Sunny side up, the only thing that's filling my brain. For now it's sunny side up. The reason that I get out of bed is to lay down again. Oh, I'll be with you in a sec. I just need a day off. Nothing in my plans. I just need a day off. Feet on the table. If I were just to move, and then she could be fatal. Now I don't know what to do. Thought of coffees hanging over me like a thread. Sunny side up, the only thing that's filling my brain. Be with you in a sec.
I know. I have been away. I have been away. I haven't been posting videos because a lot of things has been happening. So, but today, let me just take you a little bit around. So I moved